Hi everyone, this will be a quick video on how I removed stubborn makeup and some skincare information that you might find helpful. First, we need to make sure that there's no single strand of hair in our face. If you find your false lashes doesn't coming off, do not pull it hard. You can use an oil-based makeup remover first. I love doing double cleanse because I want to make sure that all the makeup gunk are removed. So I start with this cleansing balm and you will notice that it will turn into an oil while melting the makeup. You can also use an organic olive oil if you don't have a cleansing balm. The facial cleanser, on the other hand, helps you ensure that there's no makeup residue left. Toner is good to have in your skincare routine because it helps balance skin's pH after cleansing. The main purpose of an essence is to hydrate and prepare your skin in absorbing the products that you're going to use after, like serum and moisturizer. Therefore, the essence will allow those products to work better. This is also the perfect time to do a little massage in your face. I love using this vitamin C serum because it helps minimize my wrinkles and fine lines. It has a brightening properties also. I'm currently using this moisturizer for my hyperpigmentation and discoloration. And the reason of these skin problems? Sun exposure without using sunscreen. When you're a mom, you tend to forget a lot of things, including your sun protection. The last one is our lips. This is so hydrating that in the next day your lips is so smooth. If you enjoy watching videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you're updated on my next video. Bye!